Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I go by the Fashion Doll. If you're not new, welcome back, my dolls. So this video is the video I promise y'all. I am going to show you the accessories for the toiletry pouch 26, the Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch 26. I'm going to show you the accessories I picked up and how to style your bag. So if you are interested in this, keep watching.
Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
Before I get into the video, I did do an unboxing on this pouch, and I do have all the information letting you know how I got my hands on this. So if you are interested in that, I will also link that video below. So let's jump into the accessories. Okay, so the first organizer I have here is a pink organizer. It's like a neon pink. I got this one from AliExpress. This didn't take long to come. I believe it took like 2 weeks, if I'm not mistaken. The seller no longer have this, but I will definitely try to find something similar to this. Hey, only $18.33 for this, so it didn't take long to come at all. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So the organizer isn't as tall as the bag, but it do fit and it works out great. I will show you guys how to install this, which is easy. You just put it in there, but I'm gonna show you the chains and all that. Okay, so this is what the pink organizer look like. You have the inside. This one comes with a gold zipper detail. You have 2 pockets here, and then you have 1 big pocket there, and then you have the middle to fit your things in here, and you have the 2 hoops on each side. The other organizer, I received this one for Mother's Day, actually from my mother. This one I believe she got from Amazon. I don't know how much it retailed. I believe it might have been $27. This one has 1 big pocket, and then it has the card slots. So this also has the 2 hoops on the side right here. Show y'all, just in case you didn't want to do pink, but the colors are similar. Okay, so next I got from Amazon is 2 chains. 2 chains. So this one, oh, it is very sturdy. It's not heavy, but like heavy, if that makes sense. Like, it's not like super heavy, but it's not like cheap. And these come with the 2 little hoops, and you just push them back like so when you are connecting them, which I will show you. This is gold. I believe this in the color gold, and this on Amazon retail for I think like $15. I'm gonna put the picture somewhere over here to show you guys, and also put the information in the description box to help you out. So yeah, this retails for $15.99. My mom also got me this chain for my bag, and then I got a crossbody one, which is in the color gold. I don't remember how much this retail for, probably like $8, but this is a nice gold color, and it actually matches the hardware on the bag to the T, if you can see. Yep, so that matches perfectly. This is more like a brass gold, so these are 2 different colors, but this is if you want to switch it up. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to insert everything, and then I'll show you guys how I'm going to style it. You feel like this is sticking out weirdly, loop it through this hole, loop it through, and that way it don't stick out, so it's in. So this is the first way you can style it. This is the second way you can style it. So you hold it as a clutch, whoop whoop, bam, thank you ma'am. So that's the pink insert. I'm gonna show you guys how the beige one look. And as you can see, this one is all the way to the bottom, and you have about 1.5 inches of the fabric left in here. So this one goes down much further. If you can see, you see the difference, like you have a lot left. So this one would definitely be good for the longer chain. Here you will loop under again, connect, and then connect. So this one is 47 inches long. I'm gonna show you how it looks on me. Okay, so to remind you guys, I am pretty tall. I'm 5'9", and look how long this is. So it goes past the hip with the shorter organizer, and it's long enough, just how I like it. Another way you can style this, now this isn't the chain, but there are short chains on Amazon where you can make it a little wrist bag. So I can give you, if I can find it, I can put the link below on how to do that. The one I have on my other bag is short, so I know I need to go like a couple of inches longer to do so, but I'm just showing y'all how it would be if you did, you know. But of course it wouldn't be this long, but it'll be short if you want to do it as a little wristlet. Also, you can turn this into double straps. I'm not going to do it, but you can buy 2 chains, or you can loop this around to make it double straps. But pretty much you can style this bag multiple ways, so I think it is a great investment. You can also use it as a toiletry bag too, or a makeup bag. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.